This is me, Hafiz Ghulam Shabir Narejo. Once again, I will tell you about the occupation of Israel on the height mountain of Golan Heights, Syria. So, Syria has announced against the war. Israel, while Lebanon has declared against the war against Israel. Meanwhile, European has announced to lift the sanctions from Syria. G2011 has called the meeting about the discussing matter on occupied territory of Syria, which is occupied by Israel forces. So the world does not want to occupy, seeing on the occupation of Israel forces on mountain of Syria. So Donald Trump has announced for the favor of Israel. Meanwhile, Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has said that we have discussed with Donald Trump. Donald Trump made assure about the occupation on height Golan, Syria. So Donald Trump has favored of Israel. Before 2019, Donald Trump favored the Israel forces. So Israeli forces has deployed on the height of Golan, Syria's mountains. Nowadays, Syria government is settled towards the new making government. So UNO Secretary General has warned to avoid the occupation of Syrian Golan Heights to direction the Israel forces, but Israel does not want to avoid from the occupation. Israel Golan Heights in 1967, Israel occupied the area territory of Syria, Lebanon, as well as Palestine areas. So, if it does not remove the forces, Israel, the war will be spread. It is possible that third war will be imposed. So global forces are participating, global forces are gathering, global forces are indicating towards deploy the weapons to Syria, to Israel. It is possible that it may be third war will be imposed among the Arabs as well as Israel, Russia, Iran, USA. See, wait, what will happen? News emerge by Hafiz Ghulam Shabir Narejo, Pakistan, South Asia. See you again. Allah Hafiz.